8th class student, exercise 7A, factorization. First question is first part, 12x plus 15. Next line will be do the factor of each term. First term factor is 2 into 2 into 3 into x plus 15 factor is 3 into 5. Factor common will be 3 bracket after common is plus remain the second term is 5. First term 2 to the 4x will be factor of the first question is first part. Third part is 9 n minus 12 n square. Do the factor 3 into 3 into n minus 2 into 2 into 4 into n into 3 into n into n. Look the common is 3 and n. 3n will be common. After common you take the bracket. After common remain the 3. According to sign plus and minus 2 to the 4 and n will be remain after common. First rule is factor is common. Second question is first part. First part is 16a square minus 24ab. That is question. Expression has two terms. Prime factor of the first term 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and a into a will be factor of the 16a square. 24 factor is and a into b. Look the common is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and a. 8a common will be both term. After common remain the first bracket is 2a minus 3b from the second term. 2a minus 3b will be factor of the question. Number 2 is third part. Third part is 12x square y cube minus 21 x cube y square. common will be from the constant 12 and 21 common is 3. Here x square and second is x cube. Smaller is x square. Look the y cube and y square. Smaller is y square. Common will be smaller. 3x square y square is common. After 3 divided by 12 is 4. X power 2 remain is y minus 3 divided by 21 is 7. X cube and x square and y square will be common. X square and x cube x remain the after the common. Question number 2. Question number 3. 3 is first part. First part is 24 x cube minus 36 x square y. At first you can take the HCF 12 and 30, 24 and 36. HCF will be 12. That is from the constant variable x cube and x square. Smaller is x square. So x square is common. After divided by 12 divided by 24 is 2. X minus 12 divided by 36. 12 3 is 36. X square is common. Remain will be 3y. First part is complete. Third part is 3 question. Third part. Third part is 12, 36 x square y x cube y minus 60 x square y cube z. To take the common 36 and 60, 12 is common, x cube and x square. X square is common, y and y cube common is y. After divide 12 3 ja 3x minus 12 5 ja 60 x square y cube y square and z will be remain. From of the second term, question number 3. Question number 4. 4 is first part is 9x cube minus 6x square plus 12x. This time is 1 2 3 3 expression, 3 term. Common will be 9 6 and 12 will be 3. X cube x square and x. Smaller is x. After divide 3 3 ja 9. 3x square minus 3 2 जा 6 plus 3 4 जा 12, x is common. Second part, from the 4x will be common. Third part is 18 a cube b cube is first term. Second term is 27 a square b cube plus 36 a cube b square. Common from the 18, 27 is and 36. 9 is common. A cube, a square and a cube common will be a square. B cube and b square will be common. After divide 2, 9 to 18, AB minus 9 3 जा 27, B plus 9 3 जा 9 4 जा 36, remain is A. Bracket close. Question 4, third part is complete. Fifth question is question number 5 is second part. Second part is minus 5 minus 10t plus 20t square. Common will be 1 2 3 term, 5 10 and 20. Common will be 5. After divide 5 1 जा 5 minus 1 minus 5 2 जा 10 2t plus 5 4 जा 20t square will be factor. Sixth question is first part is x bracket x plus 3 plus 5 x plus 3. Expression has two terms. First term is and second term this. Both terms have a common is x plus 3. After common, take the bracket, common x plus 3, remain will be x plus 3 is common, 5 is remain after the common. First part is complete. Second part will be common x minus 4. And question is third part. Sixth question, third part. 2m bracket 1 minus n plus 3 1 minus n. Both term have common is bracket 1 minus n common. Take the small bracket 2m, that is common bracket both term. After common is 2m plus 3. Sixth question is complete. Seventh question is first part is seventh question. 6a bracket a minus 2b minus 5b a minus 2b. A minus 2b will be common from the both term. Common after common remain the 6a minus 5b from the second term. First part, third part is seventh question is eighth question. Eighth question is x square x cube bracket 2a minus b plus x square 2a minus b. Bracket is common 2a minus b, and outside the bracket x cube and x square, smaller is x square. Common will be x square 2a minus b. After common x square remain the x plus all are common, remain is 1. Question number 8 is complete. 9 question. 9 question is 9a bracket 3a minus 5b minus 12a square 3a minus 5b. Common is 3a minus 5b, and outside the 3a and 9a and 12a square. Common is 3a. After common 3 3 ja 9, 3 minus 3 4 ja 12, 4a will be common. That is 9 question is complete. Thank you.